Hey, it's Wolf here. Hey, thank you so much for checking out my channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about my thoughts about where we are right now in the bear market and what's going to happen next. So I've been here since 2017 and I've been studying the market cycle. I have multimillionaire mentors who have taught me, and I've been studying basically the market cycles of the past, like there was the tulip craze in Netherlands and stuff like that. So it always just repeats. The market cycle repeats. It repeats because human psychology repeats. So history doesn't repeat itself. It's humans and or kind of like this ancient psyche that repeats. But anyway, so I create this quick picture here showing you, demonstrating you where I think that we are right now. So there's four parts on each cycles. There's boring lows, the momentum, the euphoria, and then the famous crash. Okay, so I don't know when you joined the cryptocurrency. I don't know if you have experienced these four parts yourself, but they are super accurate, and this is how it goes. So basically right now we are in the boring lows. Basically nothing happens. Of course there's massive price variations in the bear market, still in the crypto, because it's super volatile. But right now you can see we are kind of like we're entering the later parts of the boring lows. Okay, so at some point the momentum will switch from the boring lows to the momentum phase, and the momentum phase is where the new momentum will be built up for the next bull run. And the crazy thing here is that if you buy bags and low caps or whatever tokens you want to buy, it doesn't have to be low caps, but I'm focusing on gaming low caps. But if you buy them and build bags and positions in the at the bottom of the bear market in the boring lows, you probably are, in my opinion, that I have seen in the past bear markets, you're already like over 10x up in the momentum phase, and that's when the craziness starts to happen in the euphoria phase. So that's why it's very likely that you can so if you look at, for example, Matic chart, it was 1 cent, 1 to 2 cent range in the bottom when the boring lows, and in the momentum phase it got to like 30 cents, and in the euphoria phase it got to almost $3. So you can see that it went from the bottom to 30x from the boring lows to the momentum phase. So that's the true beauty of getting in early. You are already like 10 to 30x, even more, in just the momentum phase, and that's when an euphoria will push it to the even further profits. So that's why, as you are buying right now in this bear market, you are making very smart decision, my friend, because right now the crypto gaming bull run, so basically you want to make a lot of money right now. That's what you want to do. So to make my money for you and also your family, you need to secure back. So I think that the crypto gaming will provide you massive wealth if you just let it happen. Do what you do, get the best picks, and learn what makes a great investor. Okay, so there's a couple of things I covered these in the membership, and I have learned them the hard way. And I also have I have started to do them myself, of course, and they work. Okay, they work. So basically it's not about only finding the best picks, it's heavily influenced on the mindset that you have. For example, if you look at Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger, their whole message is like, don't make mistakes. Okay, don't make mistakes and you will be ahead of everyone else. And how you avoid mistakes? Well, it's all about the mindset. It's all about the knowledge and what you know. And also, it's not about what you know, it's what you do with the knowledge, like how you execute. Okay, so that's a huge part. But anyway, like you can see, we are very close at the at the euphoria phase. And how you want to do it, you want to basically, in the boring lows, you want to pick projects, study, and then slowly dollar cost averaging in, and then let the momentum phase and the euphoria phase do its job, and then slowly dollar cost average out. Okay, for example, here you would get in here slowly, so buy 1, 2, 3, so buy, for example, monthly or weekly, whatever. Slowly buy, because you don't know where the bottom is, and the dip can keep dipping. And then as the momentum phase and the euphoria start selling slowly, dollar cost average selling. Okay, so there's good rule of thumb is that when it makes 10x, take at least your initial out, at least more, and maybe more. I'm not a financial advisor, you can do whatever you want, but I'm at least always taking my initial out, usually more than that. But then as it goes up even more, and more and more and more. For example, here, if it goes up super fast, you want to start taking massive amounts of profits, because you can see here, as it will come down as fast as it goes up. So if it goes super fast, you can be 100% sure that it will come down super fast. So you need to start taking profits, and you start taking profits like boom, 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 boom. Okay, and then basically what you want to do when you take out, and also one thing that you don't want to do, you don't want to start adding cash in the bull run. When the bull run is raging, don't add any more cash. I will make videos about that, super important also. And then you just take the profits. Of course, you pay the taxman. The taxman is there waiting for you. Always. Okay, it's going to take almost half of your bag, but that's how it works. You can't avoid it. Well, in some certain countries you can, but there's always trade-offs. Anyway, so you pay the taxes and you're happy to pay them because you help the society. I don't know where the money goes, some bullshit, but anyway, you have to pay it. And you know, then the market psychology repeats. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to take that cash. You want to take some of that cash and to live with, right? You want to have whatever you want to do, you want to live with, but you want to take some of this cash and save it, and then save it for the next bull run, not next bull run, but next bear market, because the next bear market will come here after the crash. There will be a new bear market, and again it repeats and repeats and repeats. And now you know the market cycle, and now you can absolutely crush it. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Wolf Lopez, and this is not a financial advice. And if you are still not part of my email list, you can check out the first link in the description. Absolutely would love to have you there. Thank you so much, and peace out. Thank you.